Hello guys, once again welcome to our channel Getfully, and today I'm here with another badminton racket which is Carbonex 7000 series, and this is I got from Flipkart, and I'll just unwrap it. I just already opened this because it will take little more time to unwrap it. I will take it out. And here the Carbonex Yonex Carbonex series, and yeah, this is Yonex Carbonex series, and you will get a full cover along with this bat. The packing is superb. And here it is. This is the Yonex Carbonex 7000 EX. That's the model number of this particular bat. And the packing is good. Everything is fine from Flipkart. I loved it. And let me show you the bat. Yeah. Here's the bat. You can see the bat, the grip. Yeah, grip is good, superb. And the other some graphics and all provided here. You can see few graphics, nice graphics. Carbonex 7000 EX, and developed by Yonex Japan and made in China. If you got it from any online market, this you can register this number with the website, Yonex website, and you can check it which is original, I mean genuine or not. And there's the string. This is the string mainly. While we coming to the string, which is so great, which is so tighter, and which is much better than the other ones, which is much better than the Muscle Power series, I think. And the grip is also good. There's nothing to say much, because I got it from Amazon, I mean Flipkart, from 1300 and something rupees. For this particular rupees, I mean this particular box, which is quite good and quite fantastic. And guys, this is the bat. This is the badminton racket. I strongly recommend it, which is usable for beginners and for the professionals both, and everything is fine. Yeah, you can see this bottom of this bat, and yeah, everything is superb. So guys, that's it, and I'll be back with another video of another one of the most selling leaning bat. And guys, thanks for watching. This is your Carbonex 7000 EX from Yonex. I strongly recommend this. And guys, finally, please come and like, support and subscribe our channel if you like this video, and surely you just press that bell button for more notifications from our channel. Thank you. This is Amal signing out. So thank you. Thanks a lot.